Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how you can apply for Vista in transit visa for UK. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I have already shown you how to apply for airport transit visa. So there's another transit visa which is called Vista transit visa, which you can use if you are going to leave UK within 48 hours and you are not going to work or study while in the UK and you go through UK border control. And this is like changing flights in UK on your way to another country. So this we have already completed, and this we are going to do. First of all, you need to find out if you really need it or not. If you need it, then only you are going to apply. If not, you don't have to. So suppose you need it, so we are going to click on apply now. Language, I select English. So many languages, right? Select the country to provide your biometrics. I select India. And I also want to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am government body. So this video is totally based on my knowledge and research. And if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So I select this and then I click on next. Visa application, okay. This is just a sample, and if you see anything, any entries in this video, all are going to be sample. So you have to add entries based on your case, not what exactly you say in this video. So I click on start now. Register an email. So you got to enter email and password. I'm going to do that. In the next stage it asks like, does this email belong to you? So I select yes. It is asking like, do you have any additional email? I select no, but you got to do whatever is applicable in your case. Then asking phone number. Only include number. For international number include the country code. Okay, so I'm gonna include one sample Indian number. And I click on save and continue. Other number I do know, but do it as per your case. And are you able to be contacted? So I select both, whatever is available in your case. Name section, so this is very simple. I'm going to include some sample. Any other name you have got, I select no, whatever is applicable in your case. This is very simple. I'm just doing some sample. You gotta do as per your situation. If this is correspondence, I select yes, and I'm going to put some sample here. How long have you lived in this? So I select 15 and I own it, whatever is applicable in your case. Next is passport, so I'm just gonna put some sample. They are asking about national identity card, so I select no, but do it as per your case. These questions very simple. I'm gonna just do some sample. Other nationalities I do know, but you do as per your case. Employment status, whatever is applicable in your case. Self-employment, okay. I'm just going to put some sample. Other income or saving, so I just put some sample. How much money you are personally planning to spend while in UK? So this is straight transit, so nothing much, so I just select 300. Financial situation, how much you spend every month, whatever is applicable in your case, guys. Paying for video. This is any cost being paid by employer company, or if you are being given any money, is anyone. So I just do this way. Your planned travel information, okay. When are you coming? So I'm going to put some sample. Because Vista transit you have to live within 48 hours. spoken language, I select English. Main region, I select that. So I select this one, and they have also said like what you must provide. Where you will arrive. Okay, I just select this. If known, so I can leave it for now. Oh no, flight number, I'll just put one sample. Departure. And because you are transiting, so it is asking where country you are traveling on from UK. So I just put some sample. And it's asking if you have a valid residence visa or permit for the country you are traveling to. I put some sample here. Returning through the UK, will you be traveling back to UK for? I select no, but whatever is applicable in your case, you gotta do that. Does anyone rely on you for financial support? I select no, but you gotta provide details whatever is applicable in your case. First parent, I select mother. Then in the next case, I need to provide the details of father also. So I'm going to include some samples. They're asking like, do you have any family living in UK? They have given you the details. I select no, but do it as per your situation. They're asking if you're traveling as part of an organized group. I select no, but do it as per your another traveling another person. I select no, but if yes, provide the information. Accommodation. So I select no, and in the next page I'm gonna provide some details. But you gotta do as per your situation. Now you can try UK travel history. I select no in past 10 years. Traveling to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, Switzerland, other European zone. I select 0, but whatever is applicable in your case. Have you been traveling in the past 10 years? I select no, but whatever is applicable in your case. Immigration. For either the UK or other country, have you ever been refused visa and all these things? Deported, removed, required to leave, excluded, refused permission, refused entry at the border. I select no, but you gotta do as per your case. Breach of UK law. Always do as per your case. War crimes, I select no. You need to read this. Terrorist activities, I select no, but you gotta do it as per your case. Person of good character. Your employment history. I select no, but you gotta do as per your case. Application, you wanna add more details, provide more details. In this page you can change the details. After that you need to upload documents, pay the fee, and from there it goes. So I hope you all like this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.